Today we are going to talk about aggregate functions, part of database management system course. In SQL, aggregate functions are used to perform a calculation on a set of values and return a single value. Aggregate functions are often used in select statements with a group by clause to calculate values for each group. Here are some common aggregate functions in SQL. The count function returns the number of rows in a result set. The sum function returns the sum of all values in a specific column. The average function returns the average values of all values in a specific column. The min function returns the minimum value in a specific column. The max function returns the maximum value in a specific column. Here is an example of using the count function in a select statement. This query returns the number of rows in the customer table. Here is an example of using sum function with a group by clause. This query returns the total sales for each city in the customers table. The result set will contain the city and the sum of the sales for each city. Aggregate functions are a powerful tool for analyzing and summarizing data in a database. There are many more options and features available for working with aggregate function in SQL. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.